Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, I got it. There you go, baby. Got it.
Oh, it's so fast. Is there tables there?
I don't think. What do you got, man? What is that?
Rice bowl. Those dolma.
Oh. Cool. Oh, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Check it out.
Hello. Mommy, talk to me, Maya.
What is it, baby?
Still the best Greek restaurant in the Southwest. When I think of Greek restaurants in Las Vegas, I always think of Gyro Time on West Charleston and Decatur, because that's where I grew up on. Was my first Greek food here. But this is definitely the best in the Southwest.